So today we're just going to quickly switch out a Canon camera for a Nikon camera inside this photo booth. Let's get into it. What's up everyone, it's Lee here from Boother Tools, your one-stop photo booth place, YouTube channel, you know, that kind of stuff. Anyways, I'm here and I'm at my tool counter. You get it, it's my tinkering corner. And today I have to change out a camera in one of the DIY photo booths. You know, we're the guys, hey, just hold on. Hold on, I'm trying to make a video here. Anyways, we're the guys who sends the photo booths through the mail. The business is called Boomerang Booth, and we designed these custom photo booths, built them ourselves, and then started CNCing them and sell the booths to you now. So you can buy the shells, blah, blah, blah. You get it. I'll tell you at the end. I don't like the way that the Canon cameras are working with these booths, so I bought some Nikon replacements. So in a bin here, I've just got cameras. Sometimes we do camera swaps, right? Sometimes it's just hardware's weird. So right here, I've got a Nikon D700, and I've got an adapter that I bought through the mail. The nice thing about our photo booths is all the parts are replaceable, so that, you know, if something breaks, you just quickly swap in and swap out. As you can see, that's the PC sync cord, where the DSLR camera will tell it where to flash. This is the adapter cord for the power, and then these are just the dials for the different lighting in the flash and so forth. And then you can also hook a portable battery up to it if you don't want to have the AC adapter going. So this thing could essentially run all on its own through the batteries with this and with this, and all of a sudden you have a wireless unit. So today we're just going to swap out a Canon camera, and we're going to swap in a Nikon camera. And what is this? This is an adapter for a Nikon camera. So in our photo booths, we use adapters because cameras normally come with batteries, but the batteries will die inside the photo booth, so you need to plug them into a power source. So you need to buy an adapter online. I don't know, this was I think 50 bucks. Somewhere along the line, the adapters are specific to the camera. So if you're looking for one, just Google it before you buy so that you don't get the wrong one. And essentially, these, it's just a power source, right? And then a dummy battery. So it looks like your other battery that goes inside a photo booth camera. And so this one is for the Nikon camera, just slaps in the bottom and then plugs into the power source. And then you can power the camera non-stop. No dead batteries for cameras anymore. So there's a little knob right there. We just get our fingers right in there and we can start twisting it till the camera comes off. So you can just lift it up. So the Canon camera, see there's just a dummy battery inside them. Okay, so say that we're starting just bare bones here. So a booth, put a Surface Pro in the back of it. Anyways, we've got the shelf from inside the photo booth here, and it's just a Z-mount on top of our shelf from our builds that we sell. And yeah, you just screw it onto the top there. Just like that. Just like that. So as you can see, this was a used camera before, so we're just gonna snip the, we're just gonna take these off here. Put the camera inside the box. So, easy peasy. Okay, so that's just the basics hooked up. We'll see if everything's functioning, and then we'll screw the top back on, screw it back together. We're also going to program a booth. Today we're programming the booth for Matthew. So all that we have to do is plug the booth and then it automatically turns on. You see where it says Josh, that was the person before. You just click right up there and change the name to Matthew. Like that, and then we'll create new. We'll just call it Matthew. Perfect, now Matthew's event is ready to go. However, Josh had a template on his, and we want to make sure to take away the template. So we just click on the picture and then we deleted it. If you wanted to add a picture in, you could just click image and then grab it off of the booth. Okay, so now we just go back to the photo booth and it's ready to start shootings. These photo booths really seem to get us by, you know. 2 just came in from last week. 1's going out tomorrow. Actually, 2 are going out tomorrow because Les is sending 1 out. And then 1's going out locally here. So, I mean, photo booth keeps you busy. Lots of work. All right, as promised, here's our photo booths and how you can get them. We offer the CNC cutout version that you can slap together, or we offer the full booth that you can buy just ready for a Surface Pro to go right inside it. Thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of this video. The link to buy one of these booths is in the description. Yeah, we've been working hard at this Boomerang booth thing and providing these booths for you. Les extended his whole back end of his shop to incorporate our CNC machines and bring you more of this stuff, and we'll be working to just bring the quality of the videos up. And yeah, hope you enjoy. If you enjoy, maybe we're worth a subscribe, since Boother Tools is a newer one of our channels. So yeah, thanks for watching.